Welcome everyone. I'm going to do a bloom today. Welcome to Carole's Art Room. I've got my color to go ready. Brand new. All right. Should be enough. I'm going to do a bloom with some nice blues and some Payne's gray. All right. So let's see. I'm going to put down this light blue violet by Liquitex Basics. It's a pretty color. It's opaque. And I have this little piggy mermaid. I'm just debating which one I should put on top. I'll put cerulean blue next. This one I gotta make sure I shake. As you can see, I did a bloom. I scraped off this. And my cerulean blue, I didn't shake it enough. It was still separate. And I didn't like how it came out on the bloom. So I gotta do it again. I gotta make sure there, that's much better. I hadn't used that in a while, I guess. Payne's gray. And that is JoSonja. Some gold. Uh, 24 karat gold by DecoArt, and then I got this little piggy mermaid. It's mixed with some PBO blue-green also. Okay. I don't know if I should use my white cell activator, or what do you think? It might look nice, actually. You know what? Let's try it. Give it a good shake. I have used two white and black together, but today I'll just use the white. Let's see what we get. I find with the white cell activator, you get more lacing. I'll let this relax. Looks pretty. My pillow is working much better. All right, let's do some All right, let's see what we get when we spin this. Looking pretty. All those colors are gorgeous. I'm going to do one with black cell activator. Okay, I think that's good. Wow, those colors are gorgeous. Love this. Wow. Make sure it's not moving. Just a little bit. How about one more spin for good luck? Cool. Very cool. Thanks for watching. I'll put this dried result when it dries. I'll put it at the end of the video and you'll see how it looks. All my recipes are in the description under the video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Oh, this dried really well. That gold. I like the blues. Very pretty. Thanks for watching and have a good day.